Okay, guys, just something for you to have a little look at, see what you think. You just flick this over. Before we do, new merchandise has turned up. Get a look at that. That's how she makes her living, because her trading is shocking. Why is your trading shocking?
Because I keep getting stuck.
You can't handle the emotional roller coaster. And I can't stress that enough, guys. You have the best system in the world. You can have the best teacher in the world. You can have the best tits in the world. Then you're definitely going to make a mistake.
You need a holiday.
Oh, you're not wrong. I definitely need a holiday. Sorry. You can have the best teacher in the world. But if you can't concentrate and commit, it ain't going to work. It's that simple. I show Winky all of the technicals. I show her exactly what to look for. But the itchy trigger finger gets involved and makes mistakes. And now she's paying the price for it. Fortunately, it's just a case of waiting it out. And she can't do that either. Who'd have thought a woman can't wait? There's a shock. Right.
I think men are just as bad, man.
Bollocks. When it comes to what you want, Jesus Christ.
What?
Get your wallet out. We're going shopping. Well, I don't want to go shopping. Fine, I'll do it myself, but give us the card.
Win-win situation. You don't have to go shopping. I'll get what I want.
Am I wrong? Right, I'm not. Cow. Right. The sheet, if you haven't seen it this morning, kind of plots throughout the day for me what I'm looking at. Now, many times people say, well, you said it was going to buy, but it's sold. Well, the market will move up and it'll move down, regardless of where you are in the day. You know, no market continually goes in a single direction and never looks back. It's very rare that happens. So that's where your sort of discipline and management comes into it. If it's trucking and it goes past your second structure, you just get out. And if you've lost, you've lost. Don't panic. It's not the end of the world. As long as you stick with a system or a plan that you can repeat over and over across a period of time, it pays off. But if you're doing the itchy trigger finger like what Wink's doing at the minute, it'll never pay. So this is where this sheet comes involved. And why is that? At the top of each hour, I look at it. And it'll tell me what essentially I'm looking for, which is I'm looking for buys, but it's also telling me not to trade in this hour. So I sit on my hands. I will reassess this later. If I think it's correct, the buy will stay in place probably all day. Why? Because it's all based on high time frames. So that situation will just run all day. And then I'm just waiting for the optimum moment to get in. But all I'm doing all day is looking for a buy. So I hope that makes sense. Today, this has pulled nothing out. And the only thing of the majors that it's saying worth looking at is the one that I really dislike trading anyway, is US Swissy. So I've just dropped that in. And it tells you what the anchor charts are. And basically an anchor chart, doesn't matter what you choose. You can have a 15-minute, an hour, whatever. What it's telling you is this is where the bulk of your decision wants to come from. So you have a look at your anchor chart, whether it's your hour, your 4 hour, your daily, whatever, and you make a decision based on that chart. And then you use the time frame below to get in, and the time frame above for a bigger picture, just to sort of confirm. Hope that makes sense. Now, if we just kind of get rid of these marks, why is this not a buy at this moment in time? Well, it's very simple. It's bouncing a level. So if I take this out to a 4 hour, you can see exactly why I might want to buy this. It has had a colossal drop. It is shown signs of a reversal at the bottom of it. There is a solid hammer. you have a Bollinger Band that's tightening up, showing that the volatility has closed down. In other words, it's run out of steam. So whatever this was, it's run out of steam. So there's a reversal on the horizon. There is a big candle here telling you it's going up, right? Why? Because that is volume, and it is colossal compared to the last period of red candles. It's pushed up with no shock to a level. That level is holding this back. It has now breached that level, and it is now dancing this moving average. So I have two areas of value to consider. This level, or the base of this Bollinger Band, which happens to tie in with the base of this. So I can just wait for it to come down and then get my trade to the upper side, or I wait for it to breach the level and again trade it to the upper side. But throughout the day, all I'll be doing is looking for a buy based from what I can see. And I can see this. I can drop it into the anchor chart, which is the hourly, and the hourly is kind of confirming my thoughts. It's pushing up, it's pushed down, it's still got volume coming within it. As that moves down, it isn't really looking to breach lows. So my value point is here and here on this anchor chart, and you can see that that current leg is in a movement to the upper side. The only worry is this roadblock, so I either need to be well away from it or on the other side of it. Simple stuff. And if you keep it simple like that, breeds consistency, and you know what you're looking for. So I hope that helps, guys. Anyway, I'll monitor it throughout the day, and I'll see if I can jump into a trade on it and make some money. So catch you all soon.